The LOFL error on your Maytag washer means it's not detecting enough water flow during the wash cycle. This commonly triggers the related F8E1 error code in many models. The machine automatically stops to prevent potential damage. This issue is particularly common in areas with hard water or municipal water restrictions. The most common cause of the low FL error, accounting for 80% of cases, is clogged inlet screens. These fine mesh filters are located at the hose connections and are designed to trap debris, sediment, and minerals from the water. When these screens become clogged, water flow is severely restricted, triggering the error. First, turn off the water supply to your washing machine. Then, disconnect the water hoses from the back of the washer. You'll find the inlet screens inside the hose connections. Remove the screens and clean them thoroughly under running water. Use a brush to remove stubborn buildup. For calcium deposits, soak them in vinegar. After cleaning the inlet screens, inspect the water hoses for kinks or blockages. Straighten any kinks and ensure the hoses aren't crushed or damaged. The water inlet valves themselves could be faulty. These valves use solenoids to open and close, controlling water flow. A malfunctioning valve will need to be replaced. Maytag washers need between 20 to 120 psi water pressure to work correctly. The F8E1 error often appears alongside the LOFL error. This code specifically indicates a water level detection failure. The machine detects low water flow but cannot confirm the actual water level inside the tub. Both errors stem from issues in the water inlet system. The inlet valve shown here regulates water entering the machine. When clogged with debris or minerals, it restricts flow, triggering both LOFL and F8E1 codes. The internal components diagram shows how water level sensors work. When water flow is insufficient due to blockages, these sensors fail to detect the proper water level, causing the F8E1 code, while LOFL indicates the flow issue. In practice, as shown in this repair image, addressing the water flow problem by cleaning inlet screens or ensuring proper hose connections typically fixes both errors simultaneously. The shared root cause means one solution often resolves both codes. For newer Maytag smart washers from 2024 or later, troubleshooting low-flow issues can be done through smart features. Check your Whirlpool Smart Appliance app for preemptive alerts and guided fixes. These models provide preemptive alerts and might pause the cycle before a full error occurs, suggesting solutions. Follow the app's instructions for guided fixes. After addressing the water flow issues, reset your washing machine. Unplug the washer from the power outlet for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the machine's computer to reset, clearing the error code. Plug it back in and run a test cycle to see if the low FL error is gone. If you've cleaned the inlet screens, checked the hoses, reset the machine, and the low FL error persists, it's time to call a qualified appliance repair technician. They can diagnose more complex issues like a faulty water inlet valve, pressure sensor, or even internal plumbing problems. Prevention is key. Clean inlet screens every 3 to 6 months.